Okay, so I did a thing. So I have been going back and forth on whether or not to get the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've been debating because I don't know if it's worth it. There's so many mixed reviews online. So I bit the bullet and I decided to go ahead and just get it because I made a vow that 2025 I was going to make a lot more content than I have been making for my business and for life in general. So yeah, I feel like this would facilitate a little bit. I started off 2025 pretty strong creating content with my phone, but it's quickly becoming harder and harder as I realize what people are talking about when they say that they need additional storage, that they can't use their phone all the time for content. Like, my phone battery gets drained by the end of the day and I still have content to record. Like, not that long ago I went to Miami and I did a full come spend the weekend with me, and I was using my phone for work, I was using my phone for the GPS, I was using my phone as a camera. It was just, my phone was just going through it. So I feel like hopefully this will make it a lot simpler. We'll see if I just spent a lot of money for no reason or if it's the best decision ever. We'll see. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Okay, so we're officially unboxing it at my sister's house because I'm impatient and I can't wait to get home. I got the creator combo, not just the DJI, and I went back and forth on this a lot. I did a lot of numbers and a lot of math and a lot of what do I really need and what do I not need. And we came to the conclusion that for the price, it's definitely worth to get the creator combo because the mic alone is like $100. So we have the protective case. This is the case that it comes with. We're gonna open her up. We've got the DJI itself. It's palm size. And then we've got the longer battery pack. Then we've got the smaller battery pack. This is the size difference. And then we got, it looks like the little stand. Finally, we've got the wide angle lens, the mic, and then the little windshield. All right, that's pretty much all you get. I don't know how to operate this in the slightest bit. I'm gonna start recording with this, see what the difference is so that I guess we'll see the quality. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so this is a video quality on 4K through 30 FPS. This is the audio straight from the Osmo. This is the DJI mic with the wind stopper. This is the DJI with the mic turned off. Okay, this is with the mic turned on, and I took the wind stopper off. So this is the raw mic outside with wind. So we're back inside and I'm recording with my front iPhone camera again. So far, I think it's pretty cool. I kind of love it. I'm kind of obsessed. A lot of people get this because it's a little bit intimidating to go outside with a massive camera. I was debating between the Sony and then there's like another Instagram one and there's a Canon. There's a bunch of different cameras available, but this one made the most sense. I've only seen positive reviews on the video quality. It also already has its own stabilizer, so you don't have to buy something extra if you buy a regular camera. Predominantly, I want to use it for YouTube videos, vlogging, and just to not have to have my phone die on me all the time. And I'm a realtor, so I'm pretty much on my phone all day long, taking calls, sending emails, and stuff like that. So adding now recording and vlogging and stuff to that, it's not ideal and it's draining my phone. The only thing that it did not include was an SD card. So you have to invest in that. I like it so far. I'll give you guys an update in a month or two when I play with it a little bit more and I understand a little bit more and I watch 50 YouTube videos as to how to use it. If there is any feedback or any advice that you guys have, I would so much appreciate it. I'm very much newer to the vlogging space of YouTube and social media, so this is all brand new for me. Thank you for watching my unboxing slash first time review slash don't know what I'm doing and I'm learning. I will see you next time, hopefully through the lens of my DJI Osmo.